let's talk about making a difference.
A different kind of difference, one that can change your world.
By changing the way that you think.
Say hello to the Ice House Entrepreneurship Program.
Small Business Edition. Yeah, baby. I'm Eric Stevenson.
And I'm Swanzetta Stevenson.
And together we'll introduce you to a new kind of entrepreneurial mindset, and we'll have fun doing it.
Yes, for discovering opportunities and designing their own solutions, like improving interpersonal skills.
It is important to improve your interpersonal skills. Yeah. Or from pursuing a great passion to leading local initiatives.
Distilled from lessons of hundreds of everyday entrepreneurs, these 8 central elements empower anyone, no matter their starting point, because everyone has the potential for change.
Absolutely. This power-packed introductory session for the Ice House Entrepreneurship Program is designed to make a difference in your life and others.
And together, we'll make a different kind of difference.
Oh, yeah. Join us December 2nd at 1 p.m. in the General Classroom Building, room 205 at Fayetteville Tech Community College.
And take the first step toward unlocking your entrepreneurial potential.
We'll see you there. Oh, bring it in.